Hey everybody, Chris here. Well, wish I had better news for everybody, but nope, the crypto market's dumped again, and Dogecoin with it. Just watching it last night, and the manipulation is just incredible to see. Enjoying a nice day in the green, not huge gains, but good gains, forward progress. Things were looking okay, and then just dump. So I'll show you that on the charts in a little bit. Overall, we're back where we were a week or two ago, and just the bigger picture, we're trading sideways. That's just what it is, and I think that's what it's going to be for a little while during the summer, this sideways trading. But when you start to see some good gains, some people start getting a little excited, and then dump. Do subscribe to my channel so you can keep up to date on what's going on. Although the news isn't great right now, eventually it will be, and we'll be able to talk about some good things. But right now, just keeping up with the news and the sideways trading is where we are. And don't forget that on Fridays with my live streams, we get into more detail, not only in what's going on the charts, looking at charting in more detail, also talking a lot about different altcoins. So invite you to come and join 7 o'clock p.m. Boston time, East Coast, United States time for Chris Live. And we get into more detail, talk a lot about different news events. Like I said, altcoins, whatever you guys want to chat about and talk about, that's what I'm here for. So we'll be doing that Friday night, so come join. Overall, Bitcoin is still leading the way. In this overall bear market, Bitcoin has been making steady gains in terms of Bitcoin dominance. That's the percentage of the overall crypto market that Bitcoin has. And I'll show you that on the charts as well. However, last night when Bitcoin dropped, it dropped a lot further than most altcoins. And that was interesting. I think that's probably because it had higher gains during the day, the previous 24 hours. And so it had a little more room to dump. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at the charts, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. So here we are on TradingView looking at the Dogecoin chart on the 30-minute and 7.9 cents. So we dropped below 8 cents. Dogecoin had been trading well up above the 200 EMA, which is always good. And we were approaching this 8.5 cent line. Started trading down a little bit later yesterday and into the evening, was starting to make some recovery before the dump. But we see this dump right here. This was right at the end of the trading day, which is 0 UTC, 8 o'clock my time, and then the dump. That is not a coincidence right there. Absolutely not a coincidence. And look at Bitcoins at the same time, just dumps. So, yeah, that's what that's what it looks like. If we go to the 4-hour, we could see. Again, we zoom out and we see this channel, and we've just been going up and down, up and down. This was the dump back on June 1st, and then here we are, another dump here on June 6th. So now here we are, June 7th, and we're at the bottom of this channel. And we'll see whether we continue sideways. Does Bitcoin break up over 30,000, or does it drop even lower with the negative news that's going on right now with the economy? Dogecoin in that same time frame, doing the same thing, just up and down trading. This is sideways. This goes back again to May 13th. So this is almost 1 month of trading of sideways after the big dump that we had back here on 10th to the 12th of May here. So that's where it is, going sideways. We had some bright news with Cardano. Cardano was trading up, and Cardano is certainly looking good, but Cardano is also a victim of the Bitcoin drop, bringing the whole crypto market down with it. If we look at Bitcoin dominance, this is what I was looking at. The Bitcoin dominance has continued to go up over the past month, up over the 45% line, which was this yellow line I had here, and now over 47% of the market Bitcoin. So this is a sign at the bear market, those who are investing in crypto more are look like Bitcoin is a store of value than other cryptos. So that is the Bitcoin dominance. And then we look at the relationship between Dogecoin and Bitcoin. It's down below this 0.00030%, down at 27 now. So this relationship I watch between Dogecoin and Bitcoin has steadily been going down over the past month, while the Bitcoin dominance has been going up. And we like to see Dogecoin going up, and we see these big spikes every now and then, but it ends up trading back down. So that's what I'm watching. The other thing to look out for are the shorts, and here's the Dogecoin shorts, and it's coming back up right now. So Dogecoin below 8 cents, but there's more short positions being opened, which is interesting and not good for Dogecoin when you see that those short positions go up. But here's Doge at below 8 cents. Hard to believe that it's getting shorted down here, but that is what is happening. So like I said earlier, I just think Dogecoin's going to be in this sideways channel, and it's going to go up and down and up and down. And every time there's some gains, people start getting a little excited, and then it's just going to get dumped back down. And that's kind of where we are. The overall economy still is not good, and there are still some indicators that the United States at least could be moving into a recession, and we could see that expanding globally as well. Not good for markets, and especially crypto. So we will see how that goes. People talk about Bitcoin being the store of value, and it shouldn't be going up and down as much, but it is a cryptocurrency after all, and there is risk, just like investing in any cryptocurrency. Only risk what you're willing to afford to lose, because with upcoming regulations and laws being talked about, as even in the United States, about regulating DAOs and DeFi and stablecoins and even exchanges maybe, and how those get regulated in the United States, that's not good for overall cryptocurrency. But we kind of have to see how this plays out, and I would say that if there's ever a good time to introduce regulation into the United States, now would be the time, because cryptos are already down, and so you wouldn't see them dropping too much further, I would think. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this down market and the dumps. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.